Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how to help your child to prepare for exams. In this video I'm going to give you 5 valuable tips about how to help your child to prepare for exams. Alright, let's get to the video. Tip number 1. Offer emotional support. No matter your child's age, being there emotionally for them is a great way to help. Let your son or daughter know that you understand the challenge of test taking, offer encouragement, and stay attentive should he or she display signs of stress. You can then respond appropriately. Tip number 2. Talk about the exams. Stay open to having conversations with your child about upcoming exams. Ask whether he or she feels prepared, inquire about what might be most valuable in terms of studying, and be an ear in case your child wants to vent about something or confirm their confidence verbally. Tip number 3. Be a cheerleader. You can be a cheerleader for your child as he or she readies for exams in a way that's as expressive or subdued as needed. Let your youngster know that you're always in support of him or her, and take cues from the child to determine whether occasional positive comments might be appreciated during study time. Tip number 4. Encourage relaxation. Studying for exams should be a good experience, as it gives your child time to make sure concepts are memorized and understood. Yet, it can be stressful if the child feels a lack of knowledge or if he or she is a perfectionist. Remind your little one that online exam prep time is a gift and a valuable process, but it should be an experience that is beneficial and not painful. Final tip. Remind your child about self-worth. Taking exams is important because it shows an instructor and a student what concepts are learned and which might need to be studied further. As your child studies for exams, remind him or her that they are important and valuable no matter what the test results show. Encourage your child to embrace self-importance and self-worth by doing the best he or she can, and by knowing that the exam results will be a valuable tool to measure what educational steps should be taken in the future. So guys, that's it for today. Subscribe and share our channel if you like to see more valuable videos like this. Goodbye, and stay safe.